Ngibhizi ke ngik-uploada ivideo lapha ku-YouTube. Sengiyalinda ke ngoba phela uma uploada lokho kuthiwa i-short kuyasithatha nje isikhathi sakho. Kudinga ukuthi ume nje ukubuka kuloda la. Ngesikhathi sengimile ngithi no. I'm not going to think. Let me be aware of my breath. Instantly vele ngibe aware of my breath la emakhaleni ami. Ngiyuzwe ngudonsa ukubanda kwawo. Ngiyuzwe mase uphuma futhi. That sensation. Bese ngithi mina ayikhona man. Njengoba sengi-aware manje ukuthi ngiyaphefumula. Sonke lesi sikhathi lesi bengingekho aware ukuthi ngiyaphefumula. Okusho ukuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi into uma ungekho aware of yona ayikho. Cause phela mangekho aware of yona ikhona kubani if mina ngingekho aware of yona. The only thing esengiyibona manje la iproof yokuthi kushuthi bengiphefumula ngoba nakho angifanga. Kodwa I was not aware that I was breathing. Khona la ngibheke khona. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha. Othi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani. Ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yazi nje kuvele kwafika lokho. Sengithi ke mina ke okay. Kusho ukuthi i-awareness yona kanye le create reality. Ukuthi into ibe real. Should if I'm not aware of something, that thing doesn't exist. At least to me. You see? So someone may say no, things do exist, even if we are not aware of them. And the question will be, they exist agubani if I'm not aware of them. You know ukuthi kunezinto okhumbula ngoba nakho usu aware of them ukuthi zikhona kwena. Njengakho nje lokho kade ngikusho. Ma ukuthi uyaphefumula. Yabo nganganaka ukuthi isisu sakho siyafutheka. Sishona phakathi. Siyafuthi awukho aware of that. Kodwa bese ngiyakutshela mina awube aware of isisu sakho. Bese uyaqala uba hawu lesisu siyafutheka sishona phakathi. I was not aware. It didn't exist. Something that you are not aware of does not exist. Now I'm telling you. You can argue this, but I'm telling you. Something that you are not aware of doesn't exist. Omunye uzothi just because I am not aware of my wife or girlfriend that is cheating. Yes, abanye bambona ukuthi is cheating. Should I cheat? That's the question. And the answer is no. She doesn't cheat. Reality yakho. In your timeline and in your world, unomkakho that is very perfect. Your girlfriend doesn't even cheat. It's their own timeline. La cheater con. Life is beautiful, man. Yeah, life is beautiful. Because kunama timelines. Yeah, but if I want to make something to be real to you, I should make you aware of it. Then it becomes your reality. Base ngithi mina sothi sigibela ibhanoyi nje. You are not even aware ukuthi ibhanoyi lingaphahlazeka khona into enjalo. Awuyathi awukho nje nalapho. Bese ngiyaqala mina ngithi ngiyakubona ujabule wena excited. Bese ngithi uyazi siphezulu kanjani la? 12,000 kilometers above sea levels. Mase iphahlazeke lento. singafa sonke. Now we're making you aware. Siyaqala ke lento by reality usuyasaba. Yayizwa lonto. Now sengikushiftela ama timelines manje. Ngi-introduce omunye umhlaba futhi. La exista khona le hlobo yale thought. Yabo? Into engizokutshela yona mina ngalento. Iba selective ukuthi yini oba aware of yona. Uma ukuthi consciousness i-awareness iyona e-creator i-reality. Kusho ukuthi you need to be selective of what you are aware of. Because that will become your reality. Ebenda. Do you know ukuthi kunabanye abantu la inga exist khona yonke lento exista when it doesn't even exist. They are not even there. And they are living peacefully. Because they don't have all these things that you have when in your awareness. Even the thought that you are aware of a certain thought, kubona doesn't even exist. That doesn't even exist. That is why I told you, I'm about to do something that is very progressive in my life. And I'm not even aware of all these blockages and stumbling blocks. But someone comes and make me aware of those things. That one have killed me. Now I'm starting to say, what are you saying? Is this even possible? I was not even aware. And as a matter of fact, I was going to win because I was not aware of all those stumbling blocks. And now I have a possibility to fail because I'm aware of those things. By law of attraction now, I can even attract those things. We are one which we need to be very selective. So those people who know ukuthi reality sebenza kanjani, they simply make you aware, simple, of that kind of energy that they want you to resonate with. They just make you aware of it. Even with marketing, I simply need to make you aware of something. And then you create a desire that you didn't even know that you have it. You didn't have that desire. I'm just creating a desire for you to be aware of this. Yeah, well, currently, there's something that I don't want because I don't even know it right now. Until when you make it aware, you make me aware of it. Oh, okay, there is such. Now I'm saying again, man. That is the marketing. Just to create an awareness for you. Don't ever think ukuthi leyo nto iphelela kwi-marketing. Now kwi-politic. Yabona wonke ama-dirty games. I'll just create a problem for you and make you aware of the problem that I've created myself. And I sell you a solution. That thing didn't even exist when. But I've created it. It is not even there. Yabona ukuthi kusebenza lento yenkani. Yabo ukuthi kusebenza lento yenkani. Mina ngithi nje akekho mhlawumbe umuntu onenkani njengami. Mina nginenkani ngamabomu. Because I know ukuthi I am a universe. I am the universe. Nginenkani ngamabomu nje. Because I don't even want to cry by someone else to say, I listened to you, look now, ukuthi izinto zinjani. No. It feels so nice to me if ngisho ukuthi yeah, I put myself in here. I'm gonna take myself out. I put myself in, I take myself out of this deep hell esengifake kuyona. Do you know ukuthi how painful is it to say I'm here just because I listened to you? There's a pain ukuthi you are here, and there's a pain ukuthi bekune possibility ukuthi ungabi bikho la if you listened to yourself. Peace.